Our collector. Let's find Disney Pixar car. Wow, Taylor truck. Wow, with six amazing cars. Wow, powerful Toyota car. Okay, let's collect. This is blue color express car. Okay, let's find. Wow, orange color car. Very nice. This is again blue color. Wow, Fact Express car. Very nice. This is again racing car. Wow, gray color car. And this is our Taylor truck. Wow, very nice. Let's find more Disney Pixar car. Wow, guys. La 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 la. Wow. One, two, three. Three more cars. Wow. This is top racing car. Wow, green color car. Wow, very nice. Okay, let's collect. Wow, red color racing car. You can see here racing Katina racing car. Wow, wow, very nice. Okay, let's collect. Let's find more Disney Pixar car. Wow, one, two, three car. Wow, red, green, and black color combination. Storm chariot car. Okay, wow, this is amazing. Wow, red color, very nice. Oh, wow. Ooh, wow, this is Batman Avengers car. Okay. Wow, very nice. Let's find more Disney Pixar car. Wow, guys, look at this. There are so many cars. Wow, blue color, big size. Wow, very nice. Okay, let's collect. This is red and black color combination racing car. Okay. Wow, silver color. Very nice. Silver color, amazing racing car. Wow. Okay, let's collect. Let's find more Disney Pixar car. Wow, Lightning McQueen truck. Wow, with six amazing cars. Wow, let's open the door. Okay, this is Tinker car. Wow, and this is Jeep car. Very nice. Wow, my favorite Sheriff Police car. Wow, very nice. Okay, this is Mcqueen. Wow, very nice. Okay, let's collect. Wow, this is King luxurious car. Wow, green color racing car. Very nice. Okay, this is Lightning McQueen truck. Wow. Let's find more Disney Pixar car. Wow, guys, there are so many cars. Wow, let's collect. Wow, red color Jeep car. Okay, let's collect one by one. This is X Power yellow color strong car, and this is monster truck. Wow, very nice, amazing car.